Now let us discuss about converting right linear grammar to left linear grammar. Here totally we have 4 steps. The first step is construct finite automata for the given right linear grammar. Second step, interchange initial and final states. Third step, reverse the directions on all the edges. Fourth step, construct regular grammar from the finite automata. So here this is the right linear grammar. If you observe here, so at the right hand side, so what is the rightmost one? Here this is capital B. So rightmost symbol is non-terminal. If you observe here, BC, so rightmost symbol is non-terminal. AB, rightmost symbol is non-terminal. Here we don't have any non-terminal, so there is no problem. Here also we don't have any non-terminal. So what is right linear grammar? If the rightmost symbol is a non-terminal, then we can say that it is a right linear grammar. Okay. So first, what is the first step? We have to construct finite automata for the corresponding right linear grammar. So here S is the state. Yes. So here S is the first production left hand side non-terminal. So the first production left hand side non-terminal will become the initial state. So S will become the initial state. S on B goes to capital B. So if we apply S on B, then it will goes to the state capital B. Next, B on B goes to capital C. So if we apply small b on capital B, then it will goes to which state? Capital C. So B on B goes to C. Next, B on A goes to B. So it is nothing but self loop. Next, B on B. Here the next state is not given. If the next state is not given, then it will becomes the final state. So we have to introduce a new state. That state will becomes the final state. So here B is over, C is over. So let the next state is D. So D is the final state here. Why? Because here we are not having any final states. So B on B goes to the final state. If the next state is not given, then we have to introduce a new state, that is the final state. So B on B goes to the capital D. Next, C on A. Here also the next state is not given. So if the next state is not given, then it will goes to the final states. So C on A goes to the final state D. So this is the first step. What is the first step? Construct finite automata for the given right linear grammar. And the second step is interchange initial state and final state. So now we have to interchange. Here this is nothing but D. So this is the final state. So this D is the final state. So whereas what is the initial state? This S is the initial state. So now we have to interchange these two states. So now in place of the starting state, we will get final state. We will get final state. So in place of initial state, we will get the final state. Next, in place of the final state, we will get the initial state. We will get the initial state. So this is initial state. So in place of initial state, we will get final state, that is D. Next, this is final state. So in place of final state, we will get the initial state. So here, this is the initial state. So arrow will be points towards the initial state. Next, what is the third step? We have to reverse the directions on all the edges. So let us do that here also, here only. So here B is the state, and one more state is C is the state. So here B on A. So this is self loop. So self loop means there is no change. So B on A means it goes to B only. So here we can for difference I am showing the arrow like this. Next we have to reverse the arrow. Here we have an edge from S to B. Now we will have an edge like this. An edge like this. Next, if we observe here we have an edge like this. So now we will, so here what is the transition here? B is the transition. So next, so like this we need to change the edge. So B. Next, here from C to D we have an edge. So next, from this state to this state we will have an edge. Yeah. Next, so this is an edge. So reverse the edge. So reverse the edge. So what is the input symbol? B is the input symbol. Okay. So here we have an edge. So reverse this edge. So B is the input symbol. So self loop, there is no difference. Here we have an edge. So B is the input symbol. So reverse the edge. Here we have an edge. So reverse the edge. B is the input symbol. So here we have an edge. So reverse the edge. A is the input symbol. So next, what is the next step? Construct regular grammar from the finite automata. So from the finite automata, we can write only the right linear grammar. From the finite automata, we can write only the right linear grammar. So for obtaining the left linear grammar, simply we have to reverse the non-terminals and terminals. Okay. So let us see. Let us do that. So next, so what is the first one? So here S is the input symbol. S on A. S on A goes to C. So next one, S on B goes to B. So there is one more production associated with S. S on B goes to B. S on B goes to B. S on A goes to C. S on B goes to B. Now let us write the productions for remaining one also. Here we have B. So B on A will goes to B only. So self loop. Next, B on B will goes to D. B on B will goes to D. So B on B will goes to D. So next one. So B transitions are over. So here what is D? D is the final state. So if it is the final state, then we can introduce one more transition, that is D. So B on B goes to D. So we can eliminate this final state and introduce this one, B, B. So I'll write only the terminal symbol. Why? Because D is the final state. So if it is the final state, if the next state is the final state, then we have to introduce one more state by applying the terminal symbol. So B on B goes to that state. So B on B. So now terminal symbol is enough. There is no need to write the state. So next, B transitions are over. So next let us write the transitions of C. So C on B goes to B. C on B goes to B. C on B goes to B. Yeah, there is only one transition associated with C. Next, let us write the states of D. Let us write the states of D. So there are no transitions associated with D. There are no transitions associated with D. Okay. So these are the various productions of the right linear grammar. Now we have to make them as left linear grammar. So simply we need to change the terminal and non-terminal position. AC will become CA. Next, BB will become BB. Next, B produces. AB will become BA. Next, BD will become DB. Next, B means there is no change. Next, C, BB will become BB. So this is the left linear grammar. So for this right linear grammar, so in this way we can easily convert right linear grammar to the left linear grammar. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, as well as share with your friends.